Welcome back to Military News, your trusted channel for the latest updates in defense technology and global military power. If you're passionate about cutting-edge vehicles, powerful machines, and game-changing innovations, you're in the right place. In 2026, the future of battlefield mobility has arrived, and it's rolling on for wheels. Introducing the newest evolution of the JLTV, the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, now more powerful, smarter, and deadlier than ever before. Developed by Oshkosh Defense, this next-generation JLTV is not just a replacement for the old Humvee. It's a leap into the future of tactical warfare. With enhanced armor, integrated AI systems, and fully modular weapon platforms, the 206 JLTV redefines what it means to be light and tactical. Let's talk power. Under the hood, the 206 JLTV features a next-gen turbo diesel engine paired with hybrid electric technology, allowing not only greater fuel efficiency, but also silent drive modes for stealth operations. That's right, this beast can go quiet when the mission demands it. On board, it's more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile command center. The digital dashboard is powered by AI-assisted navigation, real-time drone coordination, and encrypted communications. Soldiers can plan, move, and adapt in seconds, all from within the safety of a V-hull design that offers superior protection against mines and IEDs. And speaking of safety, the 2026 JLTV features active threat detection systems. It can detect incoming fire, deploy countermeasures, and communicate instantly with other units on the field. Every move is calculated, every second counts. Weaponry, fully customizable, from anti-tank guided missiles to remote-controlled 30mm cannons. This platform is ready for any terrain and any threat. Whether it's close combat support or long-range precision, the JLTV delivers. The battlefield is evolving, and the JLTV is leading the charge. It's fast, it's smart, and in 2026, it's unstoppable. Thanks for watching Military News, your window into the world of modern warfare. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of tactical vehicles, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more explosive military content every week. Stay sharp, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next mission.